Now we are going to see the chemical properties of aluminium. Reaction with air, it is not affected by the dry air. On heating at, what is the temperature I told you? That is 800 degrees Celsius. What happens means this aluminium burns very brightly, forming its oxide and nitride. When this aluminium, you see children, when this aluminium with oxygen, in presence of oxygen, what it forms? Aluminium oxide, that is Al2O3, aluminium oxide. Okay, and how to balance this equation you have to see. Now here in the left hand side, oxygen 2 oxygen is present. In the right hand side, how many oxygen is this? That is 3 oxygen is present. Is it right? And aluminium, what is the aluminium which is present over here? Al2. So here how many aluminium is present? Only 1 is present. So first we are going to balance this equation. Aluminium 2 is there, only 1 is there. So I am going to enter a 2 over here. So now 2 aluminium, 2 aluminium. When you see for the oxygen, how many oxygen? 2 is there, 3 is there. So 2 and 3 it has to go, means you can choose a number what? 6. So how to balance it? That is, so when I multiply, when I give 2 over here, 2 3s are how many? Oxygen will become as 6. Is it right? 2 3s are oxygen 6. And here what is the oxygen? This one. Only 2 is there. So I should give what number? 3 over here. 3 2s are 6 oxygen. So oxygen is tallied. Now you see for aluminium. Only first in the beginning 2 was there. Now 2 2s are 4 aluminium. So I should put the number 4. This is the 4. See, now you see the reaction. 4 aluminium plus 3 oxygen gives aluminium oxide, 2Al2O3. In case of aluminium nitride, you see aluminium with nitrogen, how it is formed. You see aluminium with nitrogen, it is going to form only aluminium nitride. That's all. Okay. So what is how many nitrogen? This number of atoms is there? 2. So when I enter a 2 over here, now aluminium also what there? This 2 comes. So what I should do? I should enter a 2 over here. So now this equation is completely balanced. You see aluminium with nitrogen, it gives aluminium nitride. Okay, yes. And now you see reaction with water. Water does not react with aluminium due to the layer of oxide on it. When steam is passed over, red hot aluminium hydrogen is produced. Now you see aluminium with water, what it is formed? Aluminium oxide with hydrogen gas is released. Now how to balance this equation? Let me tell you. Come on now. Aluminium with water, what it happens? When you give this, what is formed in the products? This, see, the left hand side is called as reactants. What is this? This is nothing but reactants, and this is the products. What is this? This is products. So what is the product formed? Aluminium oxide with the liberation of what gas? Hydrogen gas. Liberated means upper arrow you have to put. Okay, yes, when you enter it over here, now aluminium oxide Al, what is the Al? 2 is there. Here only 1 is there. So I should enter a 2 over here. 2 Al will come. Now oxygen, you see, what is the oxygen? This one, 3 is there. But here oxygen, what is the oxygen? H2O, only 1 O is there. Is it right? So I should give a 3 number over here. 3 oxygen, 3 oxygen. So this is balanced. Now aluminium is also balanced. Oxygen is also balanced. Only we have to check for hydrogen. Hydrogen here 2. Here, sorry. Here how many hydrogen? 3 into 2, 6. Multiplied. So here 2 hydrogen is there. So I should give a number 3 over there. So now the equation is balanced. The LHS is equal to the RHS. Now the reactant is equal to the product. Okay. So water on steam, how the aluminium is oxide is formed. You understood it? Yes. Next one, we are going to see the reaction with alkalis. It reacts with the strong caustic alkalis forming subaluminates. See, if you take the aluminium with sodium hydroxide and water, what happens means it is forming sodium meta-aluminate. NaAlO2. Sodium meta-aluminate with the hydrogen gases liberated. With the what is liberated? Hydrogen gases liberated. Now how to balance this equation? I am telling here, you listen carefully. Now see, you when sodium this aluminate is formed, you see for oxygen, what is the oxygen over here? Only 2 is there. Here how many oxygen? Here only 1 oxygen. here one oxygen, so it is balanced, we shall leave it off. Okay, next you see for aluminium also, here one aluminum, that is also balanced. But hydrogen gas, when you see, first what, how many hydrogen is there? That is H2, first 2 is here. So here when you see, in here one hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen, so totally 3 hydrogen is there. So 3 and 2 should go, means one number I should go on, that is called as, what is that, 6. So 3 2s are 6. So 3 I am giving for hydrogen. When I give 3 for hydrogen, so I am going to split that 6 hydrogen as 2 hydrogen. 2 2s are 4 hydrogen plus 2 hydrogen. So 2 for this, not 2 hydrogen, it will become, this is becomes as 4 hydrogen in the left hand side, that is in the reactants. Okay, well, so sodium value, what it becomes, 2 will become. So I can enter a 2 over the right hand side also, product side also. When I enter over there, this aluminum becomes as 2, so I should put a number 2 over there. So now the equation is, the sodium metaaluminate is formed. Reaction with acids. When you see, HCl liberates the H2 gas. With dilute and concentrated HCl, it liberates what gas? H2 gas. Aluminium with hydrochloric acid, what? Aluminium chloride with the release of hydrogen is formed. Now you can see aluminium liberates the hydrogen on reaction with dilute sulfuric acid. Sulfur oxide is liberated with hot concentrated sulfuric acid. Sulfur dioxide. Okay, sulfur dioxide is liberated. As reducing agent, what is formed? Aluminium is a powerful reducing agent. When a mixture of aluminium powder and iron oxide is ignited, the latter is reduced to a metal. Aluminothermic process. What is this process? This is nothing but iron oxide, Fe2O3 with aluminium. Iron is formed with the aluminium oxide plus heat. What are its uses, that we want to know? Aluminium is used in household utensils, electric cable industry, making aeroplanes and other industrial machine parts also it is used. Okay, go through all these chemical reactions, you will understand in a better